Hello, Globetrotters. Welcome back to Money and Miles. Today, we're diving into the exciting topic of the cheapest countries to visit. If you're looking to stretch your travel budget and experience incredible destinations without breaking the bank, you've come to the right place. So, grab your backpack and get ready for an adventure of affordability. When it comes to affordable travel, there are plenty of hidden gems around the world that offer incredible experiences without draining your wallet. Let's explore some of the cheapest countries that will make your travel dreams a reality. Our first stop is Thailand. Known for its rich history, vibrant culture, and stunning landscapes, Thailand offers incredible value for budget-conscious travelers. From exploring ancient ruins to savoring delicious street food, you'll be amazed at how far your money can go in this captivating destination. Next up on our list is Vietnam. This hidden gem is a paradise for nature lovers and adventure seekers. With breathtaking mountains, pristine beaches, and fascinating wildlife, Vietnam offers a plethora of budget-friendly activities. Whether you're trekking through lush jungles or snorkeling in crystal-clear waters, you'll be immersed in a world of natural beauty. Now, let's head over to Mexico. This vibrant country is renowned for its rich cultural heritage, bustling markets, and delectable cuisine. From exploring ancient temples to wandering through colorful streets, Mexico offers a unique blend of history and modernity. And the best part? You can enjoy all of this without putting a dent in your wallet. Our next destination is Indonesia, a true gem for budget travelers. From picturesque landscapes to welcoming locals, Indonesia has it all. Immerse yourself in its fascinating traditions, visit charming towns, and indulge in mouth-watering local delicacies. You'll be captivated by the warmth and affordability of this incredible country. Last but not least, we have Peru, a paradise for adventurers on a budget. With its diverse terrain, ancient ruins, and captivating history, Peru offers a wealth of experiences at an affordable price. Explore breathtaking national parks, roam through charming towns, and soak in the local culture. Your travel budget will stretch further than you can imagine. Now that we've explored some of the cheapest countries to visit, let's talk about practical tips to make your trip even more budget-friendly. When it comes to accommodations, consider staying in budget-friendly hostels, guest houses, or even exploring options like homestays or couchsurfing for an immersive cultural experience. As for transportation, opt for public buses, trains, or shared taxis instead of expensive private transfers. And don't forget to indulge in local street food and explore markets for affordable and delicious meals. Remember, traveling on a budget doesn't mean compromising on experiences. Many of these affordable countries offer incredible attractions and activities that won't break the bank. From hiking scenic trails to visiting local museums and landmarks, you can create unforgettable memories without splurging. So, there you have it, some of the cheapest countries to visit. No matter your budget, there are destinations out there waiting to be explored. With a little bit of planning and an adventurous spirit, you can embark on incredible journeys without emptying your pockets. So, get out there, embrace the thrill of budget travel, and let these affordable countries surprise and delight you along the way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Money and Miles for more travel tips and destination guides. And remember, you don't need to be a millionaire to see the world. Until next time, happy travels!